NetApp NS0-005 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. Which two NetApp technologies provide built-in hardware-level encryption for securing stored data? Select 2. A. NetApp Storage Encryption, NSE. B. NVMe Self-Encrypting Drives, SED. C. NetApp Aggregate Encryption, NA. D. NetApp Volume Encryption, NVE. The answer is AB. NetApp Storage Encryption, NSE, and NVMe Self-Encrypting Drives, SED, are both designed to provide hardware-based data at rest protection. These technologies ensure that data is automatically encrypted as it is written to disk. Unlike software encryption, they use built-in drive-level keys to handle encryption transparently. NA and NVE are software-based encryption features that operate at the volume or aggregate level. Therefore, the correct options correspond to hardware encryption mechanisms. Which BlueXP service enables users to access centralized data from remote Windows servers while optimizing performance through local caching? A. BlueXP Copy and Sync. B. BlueXP Edge Caching. C. BlueXP Tiering. D. Cloud Volumes ONTAP. The answer is B. BlueXP Edge Caching provides faster access to centralized data for remote office environments. It caches frequently accessed files locally, reducing WAN latency and bandwidth usage. This allows Windows users to read and write data as if it were local. The solution enhances collaboration across distributed teams. Therefore, BlueXP Edge Caching is the correct choice. A company wants to integrate cloud storage into its hybrid data environment with existing NFS and SMB workloads. They also prefer a fully managed service for resource provisioning. Which solution should they choose? A. Storage Grid. B. AFF. C. NetApp Cloud Volumes ONTAP. D. Azure NetApp Files. The answer is D. Azure NetApp Files offers a managed cloud file service that supports both NFS and SMB protocols. It allows seamless migration of workloads without requiring complex setup or maintenance. The service integrates with Azure to provide enterprise-grade performance and security. In contrast, Cloud Volumes ONTAP is user-managed. Thus, Azure NetApp Files meets the customer's needs for a managed NFS, SMB service. NetApp BlueXP observability pricing is determined by which factor? A. Number of logging intervals. B. Frequency of metric collection. C. Capacity of metrics ingested. D. Number of managed units. The answer is D. BlueXP observability pricing depends on the number of managed units in a user's environment. This model allows customers to scale monitoring based on the resources under management. Each managed unit represents a monitored entity, such as a storage system or workload. The pricing is not affected by data ingestion frequency or volume. Therefore, number of managed units is correct. An employee accidentally moves a critical folder, causing users to lose access. The admin cannot restore a previous snapshot copy without losing other updates. Which NetApp cloud service can help identify the movement of that folder? A. Cloud Insights Storage Workload Security. B. Active IQ Digital Advisor. C. ONTAP System Manager. D. Active IQ Unified Manager. The answer is A. Cloud Insights Storage Workload Security provides visibility into user and file activities, including abnormal actions such as folder moves or deletions. It helps administrators identify the source of suspicious operations. The tool uses behavioral analytics to detect risks and unauthorized changes. Other options like Active IQ focus more on system health and performance monitoring. Hence, Cloud Insights Storage Workload Security is the best fit. A customer's AFF system contains a lot of cold, inactive data. They want to reclaim performance tier capacity while keeping access to the cold data at lower cost. Which NetApp feature should they implement? A. Blue XP tiering. B. Cloud Volumes ONTAP. C. Blue XP Backup and Recovery. D. Blue XP Edge Caching. The answer is A. Blue XP tiering automatically moves inactive data from expensive primary storage to a more cost-efficient cloud tier. This process helps free up space on high-performance disks for active workloads. The tiered data remains accessible when needed without manual intervention. It's a cost-effective approach to storage optimization. Therefore, Blue XP tiering is the correct solution. Which mechanism does NetApp StorageGrid use to control the placement and redundancy of object data across sites and storage nodes? A. Storage Lifecycle Management, SLM. B. Application Lifecycle Management, C. Information Lifecycle Management, ILM. D. Object Lifecycle Management, OLM. The answer is C. StorageGrid relies on Information Lifecycle Management, ILM, policies to manage how object data is stored, replicated, or deleted over time. ILM rules define where and how many copies exist to ensure data durability. This provides resilience across multiple storage locations. It also automates storage optimization based on object metadata. Hence, ILM is the correct choice. A company needs to deliver faster file access from a primary ONTAP system to multiple remote offices. Which ONTAP feature provides local caching to improve performance and reduce WAN latency? A. Metro Cluster. B. Flex Cache. C. Snap Mirror Business Continuity. D. FlexClone. The answer is B. Flex Cache allows administrators to create remote cache volumes that mirror hot datasets from a central ONTAP system. It accelerates file access for users at distributed sites by serving reads locally. This significantly cuts WAN traffic and latency. Unlike replication, Flex Cache dynamically fetches only needed data blocks. Thus, Flex Cache technology is the ideal feature for this use case. Which NetApp Blue XP service enables seamless transfer of data between different types of storage platforms, including file and object storage? A. Blue XP Classification. B. Blue XP Copy and Sync. C. Cloud Secure. D. Blue XP Observability. The answer is B. Blue XP Copy and Sync enables automated, policy-based data movement between file shares, object stores, and cloud environments. It simplifies data migration and synchronization across hybrid infrastructures. The service supports multiple protocols and platforms. It ensures data consistency without manual copying. Therefore, Blue XP Copy and Sync is the correct answer. Which NetApp offering delivers a flexible, subscription-based payment model for both on-premises and hybrid cloud deployments? A. Cloud Volumes ONTAP PayGo. B. ONTAP Select. C. Cloud Volumes ONTAP BIAL. D. Keystone. The answer is D. NetApp Keystone is a consumption-based service model that allows customers to pay for storage as they use it. It offers operational flexibility across on-premises and cloud environments. Keystone supports predictable billing and scalability without heavy upfront costs. This approach aligns with cloud-like economics while retaining on-premises control. Thus, Keystone is the appropriate choice.